Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tiny Talks. Today we will talk about top 5 best foods of India. Number 1, Naan Roti with Matar Paneer. If you are craving for a healthy vegetarian curry, well then hello. India is famous for its food and culinary diversity, especially its vegetarian dishes with at least half of its population living on a vegetarian diet. Cozy, creamy and luscious Matar Paneer, made with cottage, cheese and peas, shimmered in a cashew tomato gravy. This classic no-fail North Indian delicacy make a wonderful side dish with naan or any bread of your choice. Tofu is a good substitute for paneer and using if you could actually make it a low calorie recipe as the dish uses no butter, ghee or cream. Serve this wonderful curry with a side of naan or homemade roti or fragrant basmati rice. Number 2, Dal Bati or Wafla. Dal Bati or Wafla is a traditional meal of Shiopur which is preferred in both urban and rural areas. It is easily available in most restaurants and hotels. Shiopur is a part of Chambal region. Dal Bati is comprising dal and bati hard wheat rolls. It is popular in other part of Madhya Pradesh also. Bati is a hard bread made up of wheat flour, commonly known as atta. Wheat flour is kneaded with little bit of salt, dahi and water. Dal wafla is a variation of dal bati, where the normal bafla is boiled before making it in the traditional bati oven. Bati is replaced by the bafla, a softer version of it. Bati is a tennis ball sized round balls of this dough are cooked in a well heated traditional oven. When the bati becomes golden brown in color, it is greased with ghee and is then served with dal, rava laddu, rice, pudina chutney, green salad with lots of onion and fresh buttermilk. Then the seasoning rai, jeera, which is mustard and cumin seeds, is added into the hot oil. Then green chili, garlic and some spices including hing, red chili, haldi, coriander, ginger are added. There may be sweet and sour version of dal in some regions. Finally, the boiled dal is added and cooked. Number 3, Khaman Dokla. Khaman is a food common in the DNH of India, made from soaked and freshly grounded chana dal or chana flour, also called gram, flour or besan. Dokla is a vegetarian food item that originates from the Indian state of Gujarat. It is made with a fermented batter derived from rice and splits chickpeas. Dokla can be eaten for breakfast as a main course, as a side dish or as a snack. The best part about dokla is that it is steamed and uses very little oil for cooking, which makes it healthier than lot of other foods you eat regularly. Number 4, chaat. Walk around any street in North India and you will find vendors lined with a variety of street preparations like aloo chaat, papdi chaat or the famous dahi bhalla chaat. These are easy to prepare and are loved by all. Straight from the streets of North India, chaat now famous all over the world. It is believed that chaat was born in the royal kitchen of Emperor Shah Jahan. According to legend, when the Mughal emperor fell ill, he was instructed by his Hakim to consume foods that are light on the stomach but high on spices so as to strengthen his immunity. Hence, chaat was discovered. Interestingly, as the country underwent foreign influences, new flavors were added onto local fare. Chaat was modified many times over, traveling from the north to Gujarat, where it took an entirely different form and taste. It then went on to becoming a pan-Indian subcontinental food phenomenon. Number 5. Kulchas. Amritsar is without doubt the food capital of Punjab. One of the most famous forms of street food in Amritsar is the Amritsari kulcha. These are stuffed mashed potatoes inside a naan, cooked till it's crispy, enjoyed hot with lots of butter on top. This kulcha is a humble take on the famous aloo ka paratha. The naan for these kulcha is made with self-rising flour and raising agents like baking soda, which gives it a soft, chewy bite then stuffed with a mashed potato mixture. It can simply be cooked on a tawa or a tandoor, and perhaps this was the reason it was so famous from masses to classes. Other variants of this have fresh or dry fruits with meat.